So, we have completed it. It took me around over an hour, but here's the hearse and the pony. Alright, I really love this thing. I'm glad that I waited to buy it for this version because I like the 4 lanterns and the purple of it because my logo is very purple and the aesthetic of everything is really purple. So this is just going to be like an outdoor, like the big thing in front of the archway or behind the archway. It's going to have, I think, 2 spotlights probably pointed on it. Probably 2 different colors and not purple. So we get the purple effect and the yellow effect. So, yeah, this guy is really cool, and I cannot wait to see him in the yard display and see how people react. This is Tara on Tamarack. Happy haunting.